Welcome to your French class. In this class, we will do few sentences of le discours indirect. Okay. So first, let's understand when do we use it and why do we use it. Whenever you have been given a direct statement that was spoken by someone and you are asked to change it in indirect, then we use discours indirect. Okay. And this portion, the beginning of your sentence, this portion will always tell you, will always indicate you the time when the sentence was spoken. If it is spoken in past, only then we change the tense of the spoken sentence. If it is in present or future, then we do not make any change in the tense, but yes, we do change the pronouns accordingly. Okay. So let's start with the first sentence. Jean dit, il fait beau aujourd'hui. Now it is a present sentence. In simple sentences, we just add que. Okay. Jean dit qu'il fait beau aujourd'hui. Now earlier it was Jean is saying it is sunny today or the weather is nice today, and after changing it, it is like Jean is saying that it is sunny today or that the weather is nice today. Now let's come to the next statement. Marc dit j'ai acheté 2 billets pour le concert. Now again we have got a simple statement, so we'll just add que here to join these two sentences and we'll change the pronouns accordingly. Marc dit. Now again, this portion is indicating that this sentence is spoken in present. Marc dit, j'ai acheté 2 billets pour le concert. That means Marc is saying, I bought 2 tickets for the concert. And after changing it, it is like Marc dit qu'il a acheté 2 billets pour le concert. That means Marc is saying that he bought 2 tickets for the concert. Now we have just changed ye according to Marc because he is masculine. So we have used il here. And we have used que to join both the sentences. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Maman dit, j'irai en France avec mes amis cet été. Now again, this portion tells us that the sentence is spoken in present. Mama is saying. Okay. So we'll just add que to join both the sides and we'll change je according to the subject. Maman dit, j'irai en France avec mes amis cet été. Mama is saying I will go to France with my friends this summer. And after changing it, it is like Maman dit qu'elle ira en France avec ses amis cet été. Mama is saying that she will go to France with her friends this summer. Okay, we have changed je according to the subject. Now this time it is feminine, so we have used elle here and we changed the conjugation accordingly, and then we changed mes amis with ses amis. Now let's come to the fourth one. Pauline demande, Paul, as-tu reçu ma lettre? Now it's a question statement. So the questions which give you answer in yes or no, we simply use si for them. Pauline demande, Paul, as-tu reçu ma lettre? Pauline is asking Paul, did you receive my letter? Now after changing it, it is like Pauline demande à Paul s'il a reçu sa lettre. Means Pauline is asking Paul if he received her letter. So for saying if, we have used si here, si, and because the pronoun was starting with a vowel, so we have dropped the vowel here. Now the next sentence is Denis demande, Nicole, à quelle heure te réveilles-tu? Questions that start with quand, pourquoi, où, comment, combien, quel. The given question word itself is retained to introduce the reported question. Denis demande, Nicole, à quelle heure te réveilles-tu? Denis is asking, Nicole, at what time do you wake up? Now after changing it, it is like Denis demande à Nicole à quelle heure elle se réveille. That means Denis is asking Nicole at what time she wakes up. Now the next statement is Ali dit à Denis, je viens de m'installer dans mon nouvel appartement. Now again it's a simple statement, so we'll just add que to join both the sides. Ali is saying to Dennis, I just moved into my new apartment. And after changing it, Ali dit à Denis qu'il vient de s'installer dans son nouvel appartement. That means Ali is telling Dennis that he has just moved into his new apartment. Now, mon is changed into son. Now, the next statement is le médecin lui dit, tu seras guéri dans 2 jours. Again, we have got a simple statement, so we'll use que to join both the sides, and this portion is indicating again this statement is spoken in present, so no need to change any tense here. The doctor is telling him, Tu seras guéri dans 2 jours. You will be cured in 2 days. And after changing it, it is like Le médecin lui dit qu'il sera guéri dans 2 jours. That means the doctor is telling him that he will be cured in 2 days. Il dit, J'habite dans cet immeuble avec ma famille. Again, we have got a simple statement. So we'll add que here to join both the sides, and je will be changed according to the subject. Il dit, J'habite dans cet immeuble avec ma famille. He is saying, I live in this building with my family. And after changing it, it is like il dit qu'il habite dans cet immeuble avec sa famille, means he is saying that he lives in this building with his family. Okay, so we have changed ma with sa and je with il. Now the next sentence is ma mère me dit lève-toi tôt tous les matins. So when we have imperative cases, we use the to join both the sentences, and we use infinitive form of the given verb. Ma mère me dit lève-toi tôt tous les matins. That means my mother says to me, get up early morning. And after changing it, it is like ma mère me dit de me lever tôt tous les matins. Means my mother suggests me to get up early every morning. Now the verb was pronominal here, se lever. So we have changed it into me lever, because the person to whom the advice is given is me. Okay. L'employé dit, remplissez cette fiche s'il vous plaît, madame. Now again, this time we have imperative case here, so we'll use the to join both the sides. Okay. L'employé dit, remplissez cette fiche s'il vous plaît, madame. The employee is saying, madam, fill this form please. And after changing it, it is like l'employé dit à la dame de remplir cette fiche. The employee is telling to the lady to fill this form. Now after using the, we have used the infinitive form of the verb. Okay. Now the next sentence is son père lui dit, il va pleuvoir, prends ton parapluie. So first we'll join these two sentences using que, then we have got an imperative case here. Son père lui dit, il va pleuvoir, prends ton parapluie. Her father is saying to her, it is going to rain, take your umbrella. Now after changing it, it is like son père lui dit qu'il va pleuvoir. First we joined these two sentences using que. That means her father is telling her that it is going to rain. And then we added the other sentence using a. And this time it was imperative, so we used the, and then we used the infinitive form of prend, that is prendre. Son père lui dit qu'il va pleuvoir et de prendre son parapluie. Her father is telling her that it is going to rain and to take her umbrella. Now the next sentence is Nicole dit, Marie ne prend pas tous mes livres. Now it's an order. Again we have got an imperative case here, ne prend pas. So we'll use the here to join both the sentences. Nicole dit, Marie ne prend pas tous mes livres. That means Nicole is saying, Mary, don't take all my books. And after changing it, it is like Nicole dit à Marie de ne pas prendre tous ses livres. Nicole tells Mary not to take all her books. Okay, may is changed into say, and it is negation this time, so we'll use de ne pas. Then we'll use the infinitive form of the verb. Now the next one is le directeur dit aux élèves, dites-moi ce que vous faites. Again we have got an imperative sentence here, so we'll use the to join both the sides. Le directeur dit aux élèves, dites-moi ce que vous faites. The director is saying to the students, tell me, what are you doing? Now after changing it, it is like le directeur dit aux élèves de lui dire ce qu'ils font. The director is ordering the students to tell him what they are doing. Now the next sentence is sa mère lui dit amuse-toi bien avec tes copains. Now again we have got an imperative sentence here, so we'll use the and then we'll write the infinitive form. Sa mère lui dit amuse-toi bien avec tes copains. His mother is saying to him, have fun with your friends. And now it is like sa mère lui dit de bien s'amuser avec ses copains. That means his mother tells him to have fun with his friends. We have changed tes copains with ses copains. And the verb was amuse-toi. It was a pronominal verb, so we have used s'amuser. Now let's come to the next one. Madame Martin dit, téléphone-moi tous les dimanches, mon fils. Now, again, it is an imperative case, so we are going to use the here. Madame Martin dit, téléphone-moi tous les dimanches, mon fils. Mrs. Martin says, call me or phone me every Sunday, my son. After changing it, it is like Madame Martin dit à son fils de lui téléphoner tous les dimanches. Mrs. Martin tells her son to call or to phone her every Sunday. Mina dit à son ami, ne me téléphone pas trop souvent. Again, we have got an imperative case here, so we'll use the, but this time it is negation, so we'll write de ne pas. Mina dit à son ami, ne me téléphone pas trop souvent. That means Mina says to her friend, don't call me too often. And after changing it, it is like Mina dit à son ami de ne pas lui téléphoner trop souvent. Mina tells her friend not to call her too often. Now the next statement is Bernard dit, Papa, donne-moi un peu d'argent s'il te plaît. Now again, it is an imperative case, so we are going to use the. Bernard dit, Papa, donne-moi un peu d'argent s'il te plaît, means Bernard is saying that give me some money please, and after changing it, it is like Bernard dit à son père de lui donner un peu d'argent. Now here it is Bernard is requesting or Bernard is saying his father to give him some money. Either of these two expressions you can use here. Okay. Now the next one is il demande, aimez-vous les chiens? Now it's a question statement. Aimez-vous les chiens? And it answers in either yes or no. So we'll use C to join both the sides. Il demande, aimez-vous les chiens? He is asking, do you like dogs? And after changing it, it is like il demande s'ils aiment les chiens. He is asking if they like the dogs. Now the next one is il demande à son ami français, que manges-tu au petit déjeuner? Now it's a question and it is starting with que. So the questions that starts with que or qu'est-ce que, we use ce que to join those sentences. Il demande à son ami français, que manges-tu au petit déjeuner? That means he is asking his French friend, what do you eat for breakfast? And after changing it, it is like il demande à son ami français ce qu'il mange au petit déjeuner. Means he is asking his French friend what he eats for breakfast. So, que is changed into ce que. Now the next one is nous demandons à Marc, qui as-tu rencontré au cinéma? Now it's a question statement and questions starting with qui est-ce que and qui est-ce qui. Always written with qui. Nous demandons à Marc, qui as-tu rencontré au cinéma? We are asking Mark, who did you meet at the cinema? Now, after changing it, nous demandons à Marc, qui il a rencontré au cinéma? We are asking Mark who he met at the cinema. Now the next statement is Carole demande à Arish, pourquoi n'aimes-tu pas Paris? Now it's a question and this time they have used pourquoi. Okay, so it will remain same. Carole demande à Arish, pourquoi n'aimes-tu pas Paris? Carole is asking Harish, why don't you like Paris? Now after changing it, it is like Carole demande à Harish pourquoi il n'aime pas Paris. That means Carole is asking Harish why he does not like Paris. Now the next sentence is Denis nous demande comment s'appelle le nouvel élève. Now I told you when the sentence is having comment, quand, pourquoi, this kind of words remain same in indirect speech as well. Denis nous demande comment s'appelle le nouvel élève. Dennis is asking us how the new student is called or what is the name of the new student. Now after changing it, it is like Denis nous demande comment le nouvel élève s'appelle. That means Dennis is asking us how the new student is called. Now the next statement is nous demandons au nouvel élève où habites-tu? Again we have a question statement that is starting with où, so it will remain same. Nous demandons au nouvel élève où habites-tu? We are asking the new student where do you live? And after changing it, it is like nous demandons au nouvel élève où il habite. We are asking the new student where he lives. Now the next statement is le professeur demande Henri qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans ta poche? The professor is asking Henry what is there in your pocket. After changing it, it will be like le professeur demande à Henri ce qu'il y a dans sa poche. That means the professor is asking Henry what is there in his pocket. Now the next sentence is le boulanger demande qu'est-ce que vous voulez madame? Now again it's a question statement and starting with qu'est-ce que, so we'll use ce que to join these two sentences. Le boulanger demande qu'est-ce que vous voulez madame? The baker is asking what do you want madam? Now after changing it, it is like le boulanger demande à la dame ce qu'elle veut. That means the baker is asking the lady what she wants. So this is how to change direct speech into indirect speech. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.